Say hi to Kubush. Oh! She's so precious. Oh, so cute, baby. Like, yeah. You made me look cute. My dog thinks I'm talking about him. He's like, I want love. Give me kisses. Hey, Koob, I love you. Good boy. I love you. Oh. He is such a mess. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia. Today we will be doing a full glam with the Soft Glam palette. Oh hey girl, you returned back on my channel. What? This is the finished look and I will walk you through it step by step because I am your girl. And at the end, you will be feeling yourself. You will be smizing, giving life, winking. Like, I don't even know how to wink, but I just feel like I should be winking the entire time. Like, ready? Like, oh, hey, my name's Monia. Ooh, that was a struggle. Oh, hey, my name's Monia. Nice to meet you. They'd be like, girl, is something wrong with your eye? No. If you don't have this palette, any colors that are similar to this will do. Continue watching if you're interested how I got this look. Or if you're feeling it just as much as I am, because I can't stop staring at myself. Alright, we're gonna go in with YSL's Blur Primer. Specifically the one that's called Touche Eclat Blur Primer. Alright, we're gonna get a little pump this. Whoop, whoop. Gives you a nice smooth canvas to work with. All right, next is foundation. All right, the infamous Marc Jacobs Genius Gel. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Foundation is check. Next, we're gonna go in with my all-time favorite Tarte Shape Tape. Now that I've applied the makeup, try not to make any crazy faces. Concealer, check. All right, we got our concealer done, foundation done. The next thing is to go with powder. Ooh, I'm gonna be using RMS Beauty powder. Live for this, my fave. And a new thing that I tried, you guys have to try this. All right, when you set your makeup and you want it locked in, use a beauty blend. Use a beauty use a beauty sponge because it literally presses into every crevice on your face. Locks it in. Whoop. Okay, the butt of the beauty blender. Setting, check. My brows are looking pretty bootylicious, so let's do that. Who that? Who that? I cheat you out, put my name above. I swipe off some of the excess on here, and then with this, find the natural brow and kind of follow along. And then we go in with our E29, just a brow brush, and really define that brow. Did my brows look at, ooh, ooh, ooh. Damn. Next, time to go in with Fenty Beauty Amber. All right, and now with an E14 brush, I'm gonna dab into that contour. All right, now for the moment that you've all been waiting for. Time to whip out this bad boy. Hey girl, you coming? All right, I see you, I see you. Oh, anymore. Time to whip out this bad boy and let's get it poppin'. Let's get it started and hot. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started and hot. Let's get it started in here. Ooh, ooh, in here. Ooh, ooh, in here. Ooh, ooh, ha, ha. Ooh, yeah. All right, we are gonna go in with the E32, just a small, dense, flat brush, so we can pack on some color. But first, we're gonna need to coat the under eyes with it. Time to get started. Ooh, little squirt. All right, we are gonna go into rose pink. We're gonna place it all over the lid, all over the lid. And we're gonna get close to the edge. I typically like to flip my brush upside down at this point. Get close to the edge. I'm on the edge of glory, and I'm hanging on a moment of truth. I'm on the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge, the edge. Ooh, that's looking good. Ooh, I got some in my eye. Ooh. All right, we good. Nice. We pack that on. We pack that on. All right, next we are gonna blend it out and then kind of bring it up and blend it into the natural color of my skin. We're gonna go with Dusty Rose. Now we're gonna go in with the M433, so kind of a rougher brush, and we're gonna tap into burnt orange. Place it right here. Oh, that's fierce. With a really fluffy brush, my E27, we're gonna dab into Tempera, this bone color right here, and we're gonna place it right here. Just really work that color into the orange, kind of lighten it up. All right, so next we're gonna line our eyes, give it a nice little wing, and my go-to, I don't know what it is about NYX and their eye products, but their matte liquid liner is the best black matte eyeliner. All right, I had to do my eyeliner off camera because I get stage fright. Next, we are gonna bring some color to the under eye. All right, and we are gonna go in with some orange soda. Orange soda, this little shenanigans right here. We're gonna place it on the bottom. And now with a smudger brush, my M23, we're gonna go into burnt orange. I'm gonna go in with mulberry, just a tad, and place it on the corner and just ever so lightly pushing it forward like that. Boom. So with my Y11, we're gonna wipe off the excess. After I wipe off my excess, I like to tap off my brush because it does absorb some of that powder while you're wiping it away. So when you wipe it all away and then you tap it off, you're really ensuring that there's gonna be, you're wiping off as much as possible. Next, we're gonna go ahead and slap some mascara on. My mascara, my go-to mascara of the day, of the year, of my life is NYX Worth the Hype. And just when you thought like, damn girl, you looking fresh. Next, we are gonna use our Y14. I love this color. So we're gonna go in with Glistening, girl, right here, okay? Glistening, we got you. we're gonna highlight. We're gonna spritz ourselves. Okay, we set our face. Now we are gonna put some falsies on, and then I will be right back. Oh no. Seriously though? Alright, we going in with our duo glue. Final step. Marc Jacobs Skin Deep lip gloss. We going full glam, girl. I won't blame. Oh, who that? Monia. Oh, I love this color. Boom, boom. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you don't? You know my lip gloss be popping. My lip gloss be cool. All the boys, they stop it. They play me after school. Boom, boom. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? Nothing. All right, guys. There you have it. A sexy, sultry, full glam look. It's very soft on the lips. All the attention, all the flavors in the eyes. Like, we're looking cute, spunky, flawless, all the above. I appreciate you guys watching this. Please subscribe, please like, please comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, feedback. You do you. As always, you do you, and thanks, Rebels, for watching. Until next time. Woo! I did it again, I did it again. I pull up with a lemon, and I can see a lemon. Cause it's me, and the new La Ferrari, and it got on the bar. Yes, lower than a bar. Woo, this beat tastes like lunch, but it's running from a man's, and it's running from a pants. But every day, yay, I graduate, will I be okay? I don't really know words to the song, so I use filler words. I either use filler words, or I don't know what it's called, but I go, I guess DJ sounds, like when they're like,